Here's how to create a QR code for Google Maps location. First of all, you need to go to Google Maps on your computer. That is maps.google.com. If you're not already there, search for your Google Maps to find it and find the exact location you want to create a QR code for. Be precise as the QR code will take the scanner to this exact point. Drop a pin on the location and click on the share button in the pop-up that appears at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the share button, then tap on copy link option. Once it has been copied in your clipboard, go to qrcodegenerator.com. Here, simply paste the link that you just copied, and a QR code will be created. You can also add a different frame to your QR code, logo, or shape. And after you're satisfied, tap on download JPG and you'll be done. And if you haven't signed up yet, you need to sign up to your account to download your QR code on your computer, and then you can share it among anyone you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.